Hi, in today's tutorial I will show you how to buy world with fiat currency. Jump to the Guardarian homepage and type the sum you want to exchange. Due to a limitation from the liquidity provider, please pay attention to the minimum amount of your exchange. Select world from the cryptocurrencies on the drop-down menu and click buy. Before going forward, check the exchange rate, taking the service fee into account. Guardarian charges a fixed fiat currency fee, and the expected exchange rate is considered as the rate at the moment of calculation. Guardarian will find the best exchange rate for you. Please consider, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Before going further, ensure you have read the terms and conditions. Paste your world wallet address into the provided space and write your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Please select which method you prefer, and take a photo of your document type. The next step is facial verification. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. To speed up the process, make sure you sit close to your camera and you don't roll your head too fast. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you need to manually make the payment. Fill in your payment card information. Use this step to check the details one more time before finally proceeding with the payment. Once we receive funds to the bank account, the crypto will be sent to your wallet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or feel free to contact our customer support.